Home remedies for skin whitening. Bisan, chickpea flour, and turmeric mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of bisan with a pinch of turmeric and a little milk or rose water. Make a paste and apply it on the face, let it dry, and when it dries, wash your face. Use 2 to 3 times a week for a natural glow. Number 2. Apply a lemon and honey mask. Mix a tablespoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid lemon if you have sensitive skin. Number 3. Curd and rice flour scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of curd with 1 tablespoon of rice flour and gently rub it on your face for a few minutes. Leave it on for 10 minutes before washing it off. Helps remove dead skin and even out your complexion. Number 4. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel and leave it on overnight. Regular use can improve skin tone and keep it hydrated. Number 5. Potato juice. Apply raw potato juice to your skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. It contains natural bleaching agents that can help brighten the skin. Number 6. Milk and saffron. Soak a few pieces of saffron in warm milk and apply it on your face. Apply this on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face. This helps in brightening and hydrating your face. Number 7. Turmeric and milk mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of milk. Apply it on your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Enhances complexion and glow. Number 8. Bisan, chickpea flour, and curd scrub. Mix 2 tablespoons of bisan and 1 tablespoon of curd. Apply it on the face and rub gently. Wash the face after 15 minutes. Naturally cleanses and brightens the face. Number 9. Aloe vera and rose water. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with a few drops of rose water. Then apply it on the face for 20 minutes. Softens the facial skin and improves the texture. Number 10. Papaya and honey mask. Grind ripe papaya and mix it with honey. Then apply it on the face for 20 minutes, then wash it off. Papaya contains enzymes that remove dark spots and brighten the complexion of the face.